everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to beat Arena 9 in Clash Royale using a fast and reliable 2.8 Hog Cycle deck. Let's get started. So this deck uses a Hog Rider as your main win condition. Your goal is to apply constant pressure and chip away at the tower. Ice Golem is used to tank cheaply and kite enemy troops, while Mega Minion gives you a strong air and ground defense. Dark Goblin provides fast, long-range damage on both defense and counter pushes. For support, Ice Spirit helps freeze defenders for clutch hog hits, and Cannon shuts down tanks like Giant or Hog Rider. Fireball is your answer to medium troops like Wizard or Musketeer, while Zap clears swarms and reset Inferno units. The key to winning in Arena 9 is constant pressure and smart defense. Cycle Hog Rider often, defend efficiently, and turn every defense into counter push. Don't rush, play patiently, and outcycle your opponent. Master this deck and you'll climb out to the Arena 9 fast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.